Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Lacey. So today I'm going to be showing you guys just a couple cute, quick hairstyles I find easy, and I am super lazy when it comes to my hair. I have long, dry, damaged, fine hair, so for me to even get the momentum to even do my hair it's a very rare thing for me to do my hair. Other than straightening it and blow drying it, I don't do much with it. As you guys can look at all my other videos and see, I'm very bad at trying to look good. I'm not good at braiding. I can't French braid. I just personally find these very cute, very quick, very easy, and very simple. And also I want to share with you guys some barrettes that I received from a brand called Just Be. I will talk about these a little more at the end, but let's see if I can hold all four of these in my hand. There are 4 barrettes and they are all very beautiful, and there's 4 different colors. You get all 4 of these for $13.49, and I will also be using these today to showcase how beautiful these can make any look and just add that elegant touch. So if you guys are interested in that, make sure you just stick around and watch me rip all my hair out and struggle. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump on into this. Just Be is a family-owned business, and they reached out to me and sent me 4 barrettes, and they are called the Colorful Vintage Flower Design Metal French Barrettes. So you get one rose one. This one reminds me of roses as well, but like a softer version. We have a blue one and a purple one. So let me flip this over. There is little butterflies on these ones. They're so cute. I can't tell you honestly which one's my favorite. I think they're all beautiful, but I think the style of the purple one is probably my favorite, or just this really simple but classic one. You guys know that I'm not that great with hair. So yeah, let's just go ahead and jump into this. These are going to be some lazy girl hairstyles that are simple but look like they were hard to do. I got a couple things to show you guys. For each hairstyle, you will need different items. Really, they're very simple. I have a pack of scrunchies, which are the ones that I call the telephone cord scrunchies because they look like those. I have recently discovered these and fell in love. You will need a pack of rubber bands. I got these at my local dollar store for $1. And then obviously you will need a brush. I have a teasing comb and a very hairy regular comb. So also I have a straightener here. You can obviously leave your hair straight, wavy, you can leave your hair curly, you can curl it, you can crimp it, whatever you want to do. I personally just like curling or straightening my hair because, like I said, I'm lazy and straightening my hair doesn't take very long, so it's just easier for me. Okay, we'll start with easy things. Okay, let me just tell you guys, I can't braid. Like, I can braid. I can't French braid. So, don't expect no French braided hairstyles. So for you out there that cannot French braid, this is for you. So, we'll do something cute for summer. If you can regular braid, this helps. So, I'm going to take a little piece of the front of my hair. I'm going to start by just braiding that straight down the side of my head, and I'm kind of pulling it backwards at the same time because I want it to go with the rest of my hair rather than just kind of be stuck against the side of my head. Okay, so now that I have that braid done, I'm going to go ahead and do the other side as well. So you could just leave it like this if you really wanted to. It's actually really cute. Kind of reminds me of a little girl though. So what I'm going to do is just take these 2 braids. And then I'm going to take another little rubber band, and I'm going to rubber band them together at the base of my head. And that's it. So with my hair wavy like this, I feel like it kind of looks like a little hippie chick, but it is a cute summer hairstyle. Okay, so let's actually do this because I really suck at hair, you guys. So I'm gonna open up this pack of hair ties. I don't even know how you do it, so let's just get on there. I'm gonna take one and I am going to put my hair up in a high pony. For me personally, I think this hairstyle looks better with my hair straight. You can definitely pull some hair out, which I like to do. Just make it messy. There's a note in here. And then you can always take your barrette if you want to spice this up. And I'm just gonna stick it, whoa. So I'm gonna stick it straight through the middle of my ponytail, just to give it a little bit of character. Let me tell you something about these barrettes. They are hefty. They spent time on these, okay? Like, I haven't worn a barrette since I was a kid. My mom used to make me wear these, and I would not choose to wear normal barrettes unless they were really elegant and pretty like these. These are just beautiful. If you have hair ties like this and they start getting all stretched out and doing this weirdness, little tip of advice, roll them in your hands and stick them under some hot water for a minute and they'll shrink. So my hair naturally parts on this side, like that's my natural part, but for a lot of these hairstyles you're gonna want to be straight down the middle. I don't care about it being perfect because that's just the way I live my life. Okay, so we're gonna take a hair tie or a rubber band and wrap this side of the hair, and I'm gonna wrap it fairly tight because I don't want it to get into this. And we're gonna start pulling our hair to like the top of our head and brushing it through as we go. You can take these as high as you want them, and I'm gonna take a hair tie, and I have really thin hair, so, and I'm just gonna do like a messy bun. I don't know how you guys do messy buns, but I just start wrapping the hair like a crazy person. And then I'm gonna grab some bobby pins. You're gonna need a lot for this. And I'm gonna start pinning the hair down how I want it. And honestly, that works for me. And then we're just gonna do the same thing to the other side. Easy space buns, and then you can always add barrettes to it if you'd like. You can get 2 sets of these and get matching colors, which I think would be really cute, especially for like a festival. I absolutely love this hairstyle. I just don't wear it much because I feel like my buns always look a little crazy. Look at this little hair sticking straight out. But I really like the messier look. You can even pull some hairs out if you'd like. I like to pull them back down here. I think the more imperfect it looks, the better to me. I don't like that crazy perfect look. I like the crazy messy look. So however you guys like to do it, you can definitely perfect this and make it your own. So I'm gonna take my hair and I'm gonna go at an angle, so when I grab my hair, if you can see, I grabbed it at an angle. We're gonna take a barrette. You can even make it tight if you want to. Just have like a really simple updo. I'm just pulling front pieces like where my bangs would be out in the front. You absolutely don't have to do this. I shouldn't, but I was just doing it to kind of show you guys what it would look like. I definitely don't have short enough bangs, so this looks kind of horrible on me, but just kind of make it however you want. I'm just putting my hair into a really low ponytail, and then I'm going to take it in the center and pull it apart, and I'm going to flip the ponytail through that hole twice. And then where the like rolled hair is, where we flip the hair, I'm going to take those pieces and just kind of stretch them out and pull them apart. With the leftover hair in the ponytail, I'm just going to make a simple braid with that, and then I'm going to rubber band it at the end. I'm going to take the braid and I'm going to start rolling it into the gap between where we split the ponytail, and I'm going to pin it in place using some bobby pins. These front pieces don't look good on me, but it was an example. If you could get them to stay in place like this, they'd be cute. So that's an easy updo. Obviously mine wasn't super neat, but if you pull it a little tighter, I'm going to take a small section of hair at the very top of my head, and I'm going to put it in a rubber band. And then once I have it in the rubber band, I am going to flip it once through the center of that section of hair, kind of like we did on the last hairstyle. And then I'm going to take a small piece from each side of my head right below that last section of hair we just pulled back. And then when I get it pulled back, I'm going to put it in a rubber band, and then this time instead I'm going to flip it through the first ponytail.
And now I'm doing a third section of hair, and I'm literally just going to follow the same steps, flip it through the first ponytail, and then I stop here. You guys can keep going all the way down your head, but also you can just keep flipping it through the previous section of hair that you made, and it'll look like a faux braid.
Okay guys, so that is it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. If you don't like these kind of videos because you know I'm not very good at hair, make sure you go ahead and comment down below if you think I should just go back to makeup. You're not going to hurt my feelings. I did want to showcase these really beautiful barrettes for you guys. Just B, thank you for sending these over, and Andy, thank you for reaching out to me. They are a family-owned brand and they are still semi-new. They started in 2016, but you can buy all four of these for $13.49. I think that is a wonderful deal. They are very sturdy, they are heavy, and they can make any look just look that much better. Like, I think these would be very beautiful for like a prom or a wedding or just some kind of formal event. They're so versatile, you can even wear these for everyday hairstyles. Just if you want to spice something up, you're going on a date with your man, your woman, and you want to just add just a touch more class, touch more elegance, I think these would definitely do the job. I definitely think that my favorite is this one right here, and it is like a rose colored one, and it's the most simplistic one, but they're all very beautiful and they're all different, so you get a very wide variety for under $15, which I think is amazing. So yeah, go check out the link in the description box if you are interested in these barrettes. I will definitely leave that down below for you guys. Go support a very small family owned brand. You cannot beat the quality of these for not even $15. Anyways guys, that is it. I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure you hit that notification bell if you haven't already, and make sure you check out the other videos up here in the iCards. I'm not quite sure what side it's on. I think it's this one. Don't quote me. Anyways guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!